Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix Hindi song is not playing on Facebook. So for this, you have to go for your Play Store first and you need to update. Okay, you need to update your Facebook from here. So I have already updated it and go for your settings. After that, just app and notification, and you have to search for your Facebook and go for clear cache. Then after that, you can play your Hindi songs. But if you still can't play your Hindi music, then go for in the streamline option. Then go for help and support. Click on report the problem. You have to take a screenshot of your music on Facebook, then go for OK. Okay, if I go for then go for continue report a problem. Then it's creating report. Now including report, go for camera roll, and you have to just take a screenshot and edit here. So go for your phone and upload your screenshot from here and describe your whole issue in this description box and just go for send. After that, Facebook authority will reply you within 2 days and fix your problem. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.